Hello there and welcome to this video. My name is Esther Kodo, and in this video we're going to be learning how to create this very simple and amazing flyer design with Canva. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to add a new page, and if you are wondering how to start up the page, I'm going to head straight to my home, and upon clicking the home, it takes me to my home page, which is what you're probably going to see. I'll click on the plus icon at the bottom here. Then after clicking on it, I would select custom size, and after doing that, I will put in my size. The width is 3000. I use 3000 by 3000 pixel for a new size. And then you can go ahead to click on create new design. So you click on the create new design button and it takes you here. So because I want to use that other workspace so that I can use the design as a guide, I'm just going to add back there. Okay, so yeah, we've got this. Alright, so to get started, the first thing we're going to need is to bring in our background. Let me bring in a new page. So the color I used for this background, right? You just need to, usually, you'd probably see just a white color. Alright, so to change it from this to the color you want, simply go to color here. Select color, and when you click on color, you can then choose the color you want. If this is not showing, this definitely will not show on your page, on your screen right now. So just go to this plus icon here and type in the color code OC2173. That's the color I am using for this design. So to continue, I'm going to go to upload here. You'd see the upload icon. So I'm simply going to click on upload. I have already uploaded my images and all that I need. So if you haven't, just go to upload files. Alright, when you click on upload file button, you're going to see device. Select device, and then when you click on this as well, you click on files. So once you select files, it takes you to where you can upload all the images you need. So moving on, this is the image I need. I have uploaded it and I assume you've done that now. I'm simply going to resize this and make sure it covers the screen. Let's increase the size a bit more. Awesome. So I think we're good. So the next thing to do is to reduce the transparency. I'm going to swipe till I see transparency. Click on transparency and reduce the transparency so that it's not really so visible. We can use 10. I think 10 is good. Next, I would click on this X icon to cancel this and head over to elements. So this is elements. Once I click on elements, I'm going to look for, from the shape, select the square. So this is the square. I'll click outside the box so that I can reselect. So I need to just use this to fill up the space here. Change the color. To change the color, I'll need to come over here to the color box, then select white. So we've got this now. So you can see this is what we have. And with this done, the next thing to do is to bring in our model, the image. So I'll go over to the uploads, select the image, and increase our size a bit more. Alright, we've got this. The next thing I can do now is to select, the square shape I brought in, right? Just select the white square shape you're seeing here, this stuff here. Just tap on it, then click on the duplicate button here. This is the duplicate button. When you click on that, you have another copy. You can then reduce the size, right? I want to change the color to blue. I'll go to color and select the blue. Then I would resize it this way. Okay, I want something like this. And all right, I think this is okay. I would duplicate it. I showed you how to duplicate already. This icon here is to duplicate. So now I have another copy. I'm going to go to rotate because I want an even degree of rotation rather. I'm trying to look for the rotate button, but okay, it's supposed to be here. It's not here. All right, so I think I have to do that manually. All right, it looks like it's even. Yeah, the line is telling me that it is even. Okay, just trying to confirm that the rotation is okay, but I think I need to reduce. Yeah, all right, and this looks good, but just to confirm that it is on the straight line, I'm going to just create my own line just to confirm that this is properly placed. So this is my line. Okay, I'm just using this to confirm. You can see that I think I'm almost close. Yeah, I got it. Wow. All right, so I'm going to delete the line. So I think we're good, right? Next thing, we'll go to our uploads. Then I would bring in the logo. Okay, so the logo for US Bank. Reduce the size, right? We have it here on the left side of the screen. And the next thing again is to bring in a text. So I'll go to text here. This is text. Then I'll click on add a text box. And then I can write in the text I want. Let's see what we've got here. Secure, seamless, and always at your fingertips. Okay, so I would edit secure, seamless, and always. I think they should have a small s, and this is small a. Always at your fingertips, an exclamation mark. All right, so let's move this up. Of course, we need to change the color to white. Yep, and this is good. I'll zoom in so I can see the bar that would enable me to break it in 2 lines. So I just want to confirm if that's the word. Yeah, I think I got it. Yes, I did. All right, so I'm going to go straight over to font. Our font here is Montserrat, so I'll select Montserrat, and because I want to make it bolder, I will click on the arrow here in front. So I'm going to increase the font weight. I think bold is good. Yeah. So next thing I want to do, yeah, I want to confirm that it's at the center of my screen. Awesome. So we've got this here. Next, we just want to bring in, I'll duplicate this, right, and change the color to blue. Then I'll write what is here: showcasing, trust, and convenience. So I'll edit and write showcasing, trust, and convenience. Okay, I need to break it in 2 lines. Awesome. So this is cool. This is what I need. Then I need to increase the font size. Let's make it bigger. Then we need to go to the font and increase the font weight. I'll tap on the arrow here and increase it to extra bold. And next I need to make it italicized. So I'll go to format and then I'll click on the italics button here, this, and also use the left alignment. Okay, and we've got this. Isn't it amazing? This is awesome. We're making progress. Next, we need to just increase the spacing. Sorry, reduce, right, the line spacing. So I'm going to reduce this, and we're good, right? Okay, I think we need to make it bolder. This is good. I would need to duplicate this white text, right, because I want to write something here. Experience banking redefined with our user-friendly mobile app. Okay, I hope I remember that. Experience banking redefined with our user-friendly mobile app. Awesome. So this needs to be on 2 lines only. Okay, then I can reduce the size a little. Go to my font rather, click on Montserrat and increase the font weight to semi-bold. With that done, I would head over to format again to use the left alignment. It's important your work is properly aligned. The next thing I'll do is to click on the white rectangle here again. I hope you know what I'm clicking on. This stuff here. Just click on any part of it, duplicate it again, and reduce the size. So we want to put in the website, okay? So I've got this here. And yeah, we need to make it a bit curvy, so I would go to style so we can increase the corner rounding a little bit. So 50 is good. Then I'll duplicate this. Let's see. Yeah, duplicate this and reduce the size while bringing it over here. So we're changing the color to red. Okay. All right. So I'm just trying to confirm that this is, yeah. So I think I need to increase the corner rounding for this. 70 is good. And I can move this a little bit, just a little. Is that right? Okay, to make it easier, I'm just going to use a nudge to nudge it. And I'd also need to increase the style, the corner rounding rather, to 70. So I think this is good. The next thing I need to do now is to, still not looking okay to me though. Let me see, what if I increase the corner rounding more? Alright, I think this is better. Okay. So our text says usbank.com/mobile. So that's simply what we're going to write. I'll click on edit and type in where is what I'm typing in? Okay. usbank.com/mobile. And then I like to take off any excesses around there. Alright. So we've got our text. I need to change the color to the blue. I also need to increase the font weight. So I'll go to the Montserrat and increase the font weight to bold. So looking at it, you can see that I need to increase this rectangle here. Right? And we've got this. Again, I'll need to use a nudge to nudge it. And we're good. And the next thing to do is to go to elements, sorry, my uploads. I have the website logo here. This is it here. So I'll click on this, reduce the size, well, not so small, and change I need to change the color to white, right? Just like you can see here. To change the color to white, I need to go to effect. So when I come over here to effect, I would select effect here again, this icon, this effect here, then tap on duotone, the second one. This is duotone. So I'll tap on it, select anyone, this custom, then select it again. Then I'll click on the first box for highlight, the highlight. I'll change the highlight color. I'll click on the color, change it to white. Yeah, what I simply just did is to drag this here, or you write in FFFFF here, right? Once you do that, you just need to go to the shadows, click on this black box too, and write the same FFFFF. Yeah, so that's already white. So once you do that, it has automatically changed the color of that element. But I don't like how this element is so large, so I would reduce the size, and I've got this right here. All right, so okay, so I think we are done, right? This is cool. We're done, and we've been able to complete the design. Just trying to look out for any other corrections that needs to be made. I want to reduce this a bit, and this too. Alright, so this looks really good, and we've come to the end of this video. All you need to do is to go ahead to this button here to download. When you click on the download button, you'd see download here. When you click on download, you'd see this icon, right? Just click on the drop down icon there, and make sure it is either PNG or JPG. So select any of them, and the page you want to select. If you have more than one pages, just click on this drop down arrow. You can see I have 2 pages, and it's showing me that I have all 2 pages. So I'll select this and select the exact page number you want to download. So this is done, and next just click on your download button, and you are good to go. All right, so with that, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you learned something new, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.